Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Cooking Basics. Today I will be showing you how to peel and cut plantain. This recipe or this video is a part of the video that I did on how to make egg sauce with tomato and fried plantain to eat it with. So this is just me showing you the plantain I'll be using, which is a ripe and an unripe plantain, and I'll show you how I cut them very soon. One thing about ripe plantain is that it is very sweet to eat, and then with unripe one it's also nice but not as sweet. So both taste nice either way, and each one requires a different form of frying if you do want to fry it. So to cut your plantain, it's important to first cut off the ends first, because this then makes it easier to do it, to peel. So what you see me do there is put a knife across at the center, wherever you put the knife first, across the plantain, and this one helps to open up the skin of the plantain, because this one was quite ripe and the skin start clogging to the plantain itself. It made it a bit more challenging to take out, but it's usually not like this. I think every plantain behaves very differently. So what I did was just to take out the peel and to peel out the skin from it, and then used knife to take out the rest, where it was a bit difficult to do with hand. When you're going to do it, don't use your fingernails to peel. Try and use a knife, or better yes, your index finger. The fleshy part, the little thumb part, is what really does it. So once again, at the same, put a knife across. If you see the mark that it showed in the plantain, to open up the plantain, and make the skin easier to peel out. This unripe one, you can see, is easier to peel because it didn't cling to the plantain itself. So use your hand to take it out. That is the safest method and the best method to do so. And if there is any bits that needs to be taken out, then use knife to cut out any unwanted bits, like you see me do. And once you've done that, wash your plantain. And once I've washed it, what I did now is to cut it into diagonal. Because I'm quite used to doing this, I was able to do it with my hand. But if you're not used to doing it with your hand, it's best to use any equipment that you have, and either use a chopping board and place the plantain on the chopping board to cut it in a diagonal form. It's best to cut it in a diagonal form because I feel like you get more from the plantain in terms of the richness, the taste, and all that. But you can equally cut it round, okay? But I'm just showing you the best method that I usually do it. And when frying it as well, if you cut it this way, it doesn't burn easily. But I think if you're doing it in a rounded way, I'm not sure how it will look. I've done it in a rounded way before, it still come out similar, but I think this diagonal form is the best way. But I'm like a pro to doing this, so that's why it's easy for me to do it. I've been doing it since I was young. So that's the plantain, both the ripe and the unripe, chopped up. The little bits, I like seeing that little bits there. It's just like once you fry it, that's the first one that you want to take and eat. Okay, done. Thanks. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, until next time, see you. Another video, I'll show you how I fry my own plantain, but equally go and watch the other video I have shown, okay, that shows how to do this, making egg sauce with fried plantain. You enjoy it as it's very yummy. And check out my channel for other videos that may be of your liking. All right, thank you, take care, bye.